Well, I am here at San Francisco Airport and I'm going to be enjoying my delicious pizza. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video so far, and I'll be showing you around the international terminal shortly. But let me first enjoy my delicious pizza. See you in a bit. It's a nice walkway because this is a long section, and if you had to walk all the way till the end, it would take a very long time. A selection of eateries is provided at the F section, and here's a pub style setting, which if you want to sit down and have an enjoying meal, it's really good. This is Farley's. I've never heard of this brand before. Certainly don't have one in Canada. But at the end of the F gates, near F21, here it is. And at the end of the F pier, there's a bunch of gates at the end. I find this part rather boring. Not much architecture and not good lighting either. Let's go back. Let's get out of the F section. Again, I find this part rather low lighted, but they do have a very good shops for eating here. Good choice. But lighting I find is very poor. Unfortunately, the elevator is not working, so I have to walk all the way down. Can you see? All the way down. Now this is going to be a good 5 to 10 minutes walk just to get out of this section. Okay, we just left the F gates. Make our way to the G gates, which is the international terminal. And on the right here is the Yankee Pier. Never been to this place. Looks more like a bar setting. On the way to the G gates. International terminal. Of course, you can see there's a lot of light, and it looks much brighter than the F gates. I like this.